Hey guys, good morning. Today I am super excited to show you guys what I have done on my hallway. So today we are doing a hallway makeover for my house. The hallway is so ugly. It is so ugly. Like, it is the center point of the whole apartment. If you walk in the living room, right into the living room, you see it. If you're walking to the washrooms, even if you're a guest, or to the bathroom, or to the kitchen and the bedrooms, you see it. It's like it's at the center of the whole house, and it looks so ugly. And today, not today, yesterday I got sick and tired of it, and I decided I am done and I want to work on it, and I did. So I want to show you guys what I did yesterday, and I want to show you guys how ugly it is, because it's so bad. It is so bad. And today, yesterday I just woke up and I felt like I am sick and tired of it, and I am done. I have had enough of this hallway. I want to change it. So I'm going to be starting with that, and then I am already working on my bedroom makeover. So I'm hoping to share that with you guys very soon. Very soon. So let's work on the hallway. So this is my hallway. This is the before. We have this bookshelf over here, and there is a lilac paint on the wall that I really don't like. So this bookshelf is very old, so it holds a lot of books that we feel like we don't want to dispose. We had already decluttered some of the books, and then on top over here we have put, it's like basically a dumping site for everything. You can see there's toys, there's bulbs, there's just everything over here. So I just want to make over this whole place because it's the center of the whole apartment, and I want it to look nice and okay.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now, when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you.
So this is how the bookshelf looks like. It's a very old piece for a long time ago. And as you can see, even the back side is, you can see the damage that is here. So I'm not planning on buying something new. No, I just want to revamp this, to refurbish it. So I did call a fundi to help me out with it because this is the only day that I have free. So he's going to be working on the bookshelf as I'm going to be painting. So where you can see him marking is where we're going to be cutting it off. So I don't want the bottom part, I just want the top two shelves, and then we're going to be putting supporting feet or to leg stands or something of that sort down there, and then we have doors for privacy purposes.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now, when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put the fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground so we can fly again. So we can fly again. To go out of my mind, and all I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. And you can lift me off the ground. So we can fly again. 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 Oh, we can fly again.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half, just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I. We go back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half, just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I. It's you and I.
So if you have been here for a minute, you know we got this mirror a while back from Studio 254. I'm going to be plugging them in the video and in the description box as well. You can check them out. They have very nice customized mirrors that you want for your house, for any decor. piece or anything that you need, anything to do with mirror, Studio 254 is going to sort you out. So I got this mirror a while back from them, and because I want the mirror to match with the theme, I'm going to be spray painting the wooden part black. That's why I am covering the mirror part. The first spray paint that I used was not working on the paint on the coating of the wood part. So as you can see, I sprayed it on and it was so easy to wipe it off. So what I did, I went and got another can of spray paint. I used the Dolphin spray paint and it worked perfectly. The paint already worked on the piece of wood.
I'm falling for you. You're stuck in my mind, just all the time. I'm falling for you. And tell me your secrets. I will tell you my secrets. We are different colors, but I like it. Why, baby? Do you look so pretty in your smile, baby? I'm almost breathing, tell me why, baby? Do you look so pretty in your smile, why, baby? Do you look so pretty in your smile, baby? I'm almost breathing, tell me why, baby? Do you look so pretty in your smile, yeah. Told me that I always had to be good, but being good always been problems, it's true. So I learned it, and now I know I don't wanna play God. Maybe I'm crazy, but I'm not wrong, baby, it's true, yeah. What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back. but being could always be problems. It's true. So I learned it, and now I don't know. Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half, just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side.
And that was it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Tell me what you think. I love everything about the hallway. It's so simple, from the mirror, from Studio 254, from the rug from Newton. I showed you guys in the whole video that you guys watched. I just love everything, and everything looks so nice. From the decor books to the lanterns from Miss V closet, I love everything, every single thing. I think everything turned out to be amazing and simple, and I love it. I'm just in love with my hallway. I feel like I'm going to be shooting a lot more videos there. Let me apologize for the bad lighting. It's at the center. My hallway is at the center of the whole apartment, so the lighting there is horrible. I have added a ring light, I have added an extra light, but the light is so bad. So guys, let me apologize for that on the video, but I know you guys saw the transformation and I love it. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. My arm is already tired from holding this camera, and let me just say bye bye, guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I love you so much, and don't forget that Jesus loves you more. Bye.